Good morning, students. Today's topic is the micturition. So, micturition means releasing of urine from the urinary bladder. How it is releasing is when urine is formed by the nephrons kidney through the ureter, it is reaching to the urinary bladder and fill the urinary bladder. Once the urinary bladder is filled, it undergoes stretch. That means the transitional epithelial tissue is present which is stretched, and that stretch receptor sending signal to the CNS. CNS through the motor messenger sending to the smooth muscle. So muscles undergo the relaxation. That means internal urethral sphincter, which is made up of smooth muscles, is undergo relaxation. So releasing the urine. External urethral sphincter is a motor which is our control. When we wish to release the urine, we can pass the urine. Internal urethral sphincter is smooth muscle. That's why it is under control of CNS. External urethral muscle is our control. It is voluntary one. So once relaxed, urine will be released. This is called the micturition. Micturition means releasing of urine. So urinary bladder filled, stretch receptor sending to the CNS, and CNS sending motor message to the smooth muscle. Internal urethral sphincter is open, external urethral sphincter is opened by our wish, and urine will be released. This is called the micturition. Now come to the composition of urine. Urine is light yellow color because urochrome chemical is present, which is giving color to the urine, and it is containing 25 to 30 grams of urea and 95% of water, 5% of electrolytes, solutes, drugs, and sodium, potassium, chlorine like electrolytes are present. Along with this, urea, creatine, uric acid, urobilinogen, hormones, water soluble vitamins and electrolytes also present. Here these urobilinogen, all this is produced by decomposition of the hemoglobin, and this urine is also used to diagnose the diseases. It is used to analyzing the diseases. So diagnostic purpose also urine will be used. That is called the urine analysis. So how urine analysis is used to identify the diseases? See one by one disease. First disease is proteinuria. Excess protein is present in urine, then we are calling the disease is proteinuria. Albuminuria. Excess albumin is present in the urine. It is occurred during the nephritis. In nephritis, glomerulus will be swelled, slits will be enlarged, which doesn't stop the albumin. Actually, albumin is stopped by the glomerulus, but here glomerulus will not stop that albumin. That's why it is excreted out through the urine. And glucoseuria, excess glucose in urine, it is observed in the diabetes mellitus condition. Ketouria, ketone bodies are present in the urine. It is also observed in the diabetes and fasting condition. So in diabetes, glucose is removed, glucose level will be decreases. To increase that glucose level, fats are undergo gluconeogenesis to produce the glucose. While they undergo gluconeogenesis, ketone bodies are forming. So that's why we see ketone bodies in diabetic and fasting condition. While we are not taking any food, at that time also fats are burned and they produce the glucose. So that's why ketouria is observed in both diabetes and fasting condition. Hematuria, presence of blood and blood cells in urine is called the hematuria. So hemato means blood. So blood is present in the urine is called the hematuria. Hemoglobin, presence of hemoglobin in urea is called the hemoglobinuria. Pyuria, pyuria means excess white blood cells are present in the urine. That means any infection to the kidney, that pus cells, WBC cells are excreted out through the urine, then we are calling it is a pyuria. So What is the diseases up to now we study? Proteinuria, excess proteins. Albuminuria, albumin. Glucosuria, glucose. Ketouria, ketone bodies. These two are observed in the diabetes condition. Hematuria, blood and blood cells are present. Hemoglobinuria, hemoglobin is present in urine. And pyuria, excess WBC, white blood cells will be present in urine. That means pus-like material is observed in the urine, then we are calling it is a pyuria. So the color of the urine is due to the presence of urochrome material, which is light yellow color. Urochrome material is formed from the hemoglobin. And what is maturation? Sending CNS motor message to the smooth muscle and relaxing the urethral sphincter, internal urethral sphincter. Here mentioned internal. External is voluntary, which is causing releasing of urine is called the maturation.